Hey there, in this lesson I'm going to show you how you can create a blog page, kind of like this one, but using the pre-made Divi layouts that come with Divi. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to dashboard, because I'm not going to do it here because I want to keep that page that I just created, and I want to do the demonstration on a dummy page. So I'm going to add a new page, so add new. I'll get rid of that, and I'll call this blog page Divi layout. There we go. And I'll hit publish, and then I will go use Divi Builder. So now when we have a brand new page and we don't have any content in it, Divi will have this pop-up which says, do you want to build from scratch? Do you want to choose a pre-made layout, or do you want to clone an existing page? Okay, so here we want to choose a pre-made layout. Choose from hundreds of world-class pre-made layouts, or start from any of your existing saved layouts. So let's browse layouts. We'll have this pop-up here, and this tab is pre-made layouts. So here you can see that there are all these different layout packs that are like full websites, and they're on different topics and different industries, and they're optimized for different things. So if you wanted to, you could just grab this and build your entire website using these layouts. But they're good, they look good, but sometimes they can be a bit much. I would use them sparingly. There's nothing wrong with them, but I tend to like to make mine look how I want them to look. But don't feel bad about doing this. You can definitely go ahead and use these, because they are really great. Okay, so the one that I'm going to be demonstrating is coffee shop. So I want to look at this layout pack, and obviously, well, not obviously, but like, look, there's a search here. So if you want to find something, if you're like, a hotel, no results, or your dog grooming about page, that's kind of cool. Or you might go to the category like art and design. I'm clicking too quickly, and I'm making Divi have a flip out. See here, I've selected art and design, so now it only shows me those ones. Okay, but for now I'm going to unselect that and go with this coffee shop. So when I click on this, it's going to give me a little preview of all the different layouts in the pack, and you'll see here that they have a blog one. So if I click on blog, it'll give me a little preview of what it looks like over here. I can even view a live demo of it, so click on that. It'll open a new tab. And here it'll say, look at this. It's a slightly different style, hey? It's not too much different. No, it's got this, come on in, view the menu, a contact on the right, so it's a bit of different type of styling here. A very similar newsletter. But there you go, very clean, very flat, very sharp corners, but let's do it. So I'm going to go use this layout. And here we go. Nice. So we have you can see here that we've got a header, a hero section, blog, some writing, some copy there, and underneath here are our blog posts, and they're styled this way. And it's put in our content. So you see here, blog post 1, blog post 2, blog post 3, and our latest blog post, which has an image. Join our newsletter. And here we go. Come on in, contact. And you don't have to use everything here if you don't want to. If, say, like this isn't for you, you can just delete it. Delete that whole section and say, see ya. We can say, oh, you know what? I've got my own newsletter design. I might get rid of that one. All I was wanting was this design here because I really liked it, and this layout here and this header here because I really like the look of that. You can go in here and, you know, change anything that you want to change and see how they did things. If you go, you know, I really like how they did this, if you looked at a layout, but you don't know how it works, you're like, then you can go in there, like download it to a page, look at it, see how they make things work, and then yeah, duplicate it or use it, but just change the content in it. For example, let me just go backwards. I'm just hitting Command Z. See here, it's cut the whole page in half. Now this is very different from, you know, other things. I might really like this style, but I don't know how it works. So if I click on this settings, I can see that I didn't have any margin. There's no like padding on the side here. And the sizing is 100% instead of 80% like the rest of my ones are. So it goes all the way to the edges there. Yep, so the max width is 100%. Gutter width is 1, so it's like butted right up against each other. If I move the gutter, then it would separate them like this, but it's butted up. If I made it 80% like how I usually have it, then, you know, then you'll have that margin on the side. So yeah, you can, you know, have a look around and see how they do things. But I just wanted to show you how you can use those Divi layouts. Keep in mind that any images that they have in the in this layout, for example, this image here of the there's delicious looking creamy drinks image, will be in our media library. Okay, it'll be in our media library. If we don't want it there, then I would recommend that you delete it if you decide that you don't want to use that layout or that section anymore. All right, and that is the end of this video. In the next video, we're going to be talking about categories and tags, and I'll see you there.